everyone, welcome to my channel, Air Frying Recipes 101. I know it's been a hot minute since I've seen you because we've had a lot going on here with the holidays and COVID and a lot of things. So I mainly concentrated on my channel, the Baking Diva, but since it's New Year's Eve, tomorrow's New Year's Day, so I'll be starting to post videos on my air frying channel. So you ask, Diva, well, what did you get for Christmas? Da-da! I got a new air fryer. I love my other air fryer. I have my Ninja with the round basket, but the hubby gave me this one, the Ninja, with the double basket. That's right, and you ask, well, Diva, what are you doing with your other one? Are you selling it? No, I'm not selling it. Keeping it so I can multitask. Yes, I always teach my youngest grandson, Lucas, to multitask. So the other day I was hopping from one end of the kitchen to the other with food in both of my air fryers. It was crazy. So anyway, I did get this new air fryer, and as soon as I get back on with my air frying videos, and I have so many of them, I will show you how I operate this one. So, and I got some other nice things. I got a new printer. So sometimes when I print out my recipes, I don't have to use the hubby's printer and listening to him go blah, 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 because I'm using his ink and his paper. So now I have my own. And I got lots of nice gift cards. Little hesitant to go out to the stores right now, so I might do a little bit of shopping online. In fact, it's cold here in New Jersey, and I'm wearing short sleeves because I'm leaving in about a half hour to get my booster vaccine. Better be safe than sorry. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you that this was my last video of the year, not for good, 2021, and I will be back bigger and better than ever in 2022. And I wanted to thank you for those that jumped on and subscribed to my Air Fryer 101, Air Fryer Recipes 101 channel. And even though there hasn't been much action on it later, there will be very soon. So if you haven't already subscribed, go down and hit the red subscribe and the little bell next to it, and that's all that's to it. You'll be a subscriber and you won't miss any of my new recipes coming up. So anyway, I wanted to thank you all for tuning into this channel. There's no point in me doing YouTube without subscribers. And I want to wish all of you a very happy new year. Hopefully it's much better than 2021 was. And right now I have two grandsons that are recovering from COVID, the little one Lucas and the oldest one Jake. So they're both at their other homes in quarantine. And poor Lucas, we didn't get a chance to see him for Christmas. So his gifts are still here. And I told him, as soon as you're better, you can come over and you can have another Christmas opening up all your gifts. So everyone, stay well, do what you're supposed to do, wear those masks, and hopefully have a very happy new year. See you all soon. Toodles. Bye.